We all know the famous saying that when it rains, it pours. And it really means that sometimes, you're out there and you're getting battered, you're getting hit down, and you actually come back, you find air and you're breathing again. And as you think you're just coming back to re-hit again and resurface again, you get pulled down again another time. You often wonder, can I pull out? At what point do you say, it's enough? And if when it rains, it pours. When you start getting wet, you think that you can't get any wetter. You actually end up getting worse and more drenched. Somebody once came past the Lubavitch Rebbe and asked the Rebbe, so the truth is, for so long in my life, I've done so well. The markets were good, the economy is good, I really did so well in business. Now it's all down and I'm back to get through. And the Rebbe explained that the truth be told, you prove yourself being a good businessman not when the markets are flourishing, not when the economy is great, but when things are tough. If you can weather those storms, that is when you prove how good of a businessman you are. Therefore, don't give up and keep going. And therefore, the message is exactly the same time. There are times when it rains, it does pour. There are times when you think that truth is you're getting battered and smashed. But that is the time. It's at those moments when you truly prove yourself. It's those moments that prove who you are. And therefore, never give up. Never think that you can't overcome. Never think that you're too soaked. It's the exact opposite. It's at those moments when you truly prove your true colors.